What a perfect portable air compressor. My name's Rebecca and today I'm doing a review on this tire inflator. It was gifted to me in exchange for my review. This air compressor, fully charged, will offer 30 minutes of continuous operations. Now you can either inflate a tire, a bike tire, a basketball, anything you're really looking to inflate. I really like the fact that this is cordless. You can use it anytime and anywhere. It's easy to carry. A great feature about this is that it has an auto stop precision and it has smart presets, so you can just set it and forget about it. The LED screen is very visible and it'll let you know how fully charged that this tire compressor is. You can see right there, you just change the option and that's what you'll be filling up. I'm going to demonstrate on this football and show you how fast that it does fill up, and it auto stops. Also on my tire, I just put it on there and I was able to watch the LED screen while it filled up my tire perfectly. So if you're looking for a great portable tire inflator, this is it.